Hello, it's Selena here. Today I will be sharing with you how to use Canva to create your Instagram style logo for your brand. Let's dive right into it. So this is what we will be creating today. And first, what you need to do is create a Canva account. So once your account is created, let's go to the left-hand side plus create. The size of the canvas is going to be 2,500 and 1,000 height. Let's create. So once you have the background ready, what I'm going to do next is to go to Google search and then find out the template that we will be using for the Instagram ring. So you just type in Instagram profile circle template, find the one you like, and then click download. We're also going to be needing a Meta verified logo. You do the same at Google search and type in Meta verified logo and then click download. Because I already did it, so I have it in my folder where I can have easy access. I have saved it as an image. So I just click onto it and then drag it into the background that we just created. Okay, and then you adjust the size, move it around. I'm also gonna add this little guy here as well. And then next, I'm gonna create a text box. So we'll just click on the text and then edit text. And then the font, I'm usually using Open Sans. And then the size is going to be 170. And here is where you will be putting your name. Okay. And then we want to make it bold. And then we're going to create another text box and the size 86. This is going to be for our Instagram handle, which is your Instagram username. So I already have it copied. So I just paste it in and then we adjust this little guy a little bit. There we go. And if this is too big, we can make it smaller as well. Okay, there we go. So next we're going to go to element and then we're going to insert a circle that you can put your photo into it. And then again, we're going to drag it to adjust the size to make it what we think it looks good. And then once you have the photo circle in place, then we're going to find an image and just drop it in and double click it to adjust the size to make it bigger or center, make it however you like it. And here we go. That is your logo. And I'm going to give you my template that I created, which has two versions. It's one in white background and one in a darker background. All you need to do is just drop in your photo, change the name and your username, and then click share, download, and make sure you click transparent background when you download it so you can use it. You can have it without showing the background. And there you have it. I will be dropping the link, the template link below, and you can just grab it and try it out today.